Good evening and welcome to PBM Investment Podcast. The key business news from last month. Qatar has been boycotted by several nations in the Middle East who say that the Qatari government has been supporting terrorist activities all over the world. Boohoo shares continue to soar, up this month 17.78% at the point of yesterday's close. It was at 260p in June. Alibaba shares rocketed as more profits are up 13% year on the back of the news. Shares reached £142.85 per share. Amazon ramps up its pressure on banks by lending more to small businesses than the normal high street banks. Also, Amazon has announced that it's going to buy Whole Foods for just over $2 billion. General election results in the UK are announced, and the result is a hung parliament. Later on, Theresa May, Conservative government, creates a minority government with the DUP. Monetized shares have skyrocketed due to it being taken over for £70 million. Bitcoin prices plunge below $2,600 and throughout June has continued to actually fall as well. British Bank of England have kept interest rates at 0.25%, while in the US the Federal Reserve raises interest rates from 1% to 1.25%, and they say throughout this year and next year more increases are expected. EU Brexit negotiations have started this month as well. Offshore assets that have been held in the British Virgin Islands have said to be doubled to 1.5 trillion, more than twice the sum estimated in 2010. So you should know that it's probably even more than 1.5 trillion. That's only the 1.5 trillion that they want to let people know about. Holland & Barrett's is sold for 1.8 billion to a Russian billionaire, Mikhail Friedman. Google also has been fined $2 billion by the Euro Competition Authority. Google are going to be appealing this decision, so we'll wait for more news on that. And now for news to look out for this month coming in July. Look out for Bitcoin as prices to continue to fall. Also look out for more news on the Amcro IPO, set to be one of the biggest IPOs in history. Also look out for more details and news on the EU's negotiation, as the UK are looking for the best trading and divorce settlement from the EU. And that is it for this month's PBM Investment Podcast. To join our hot tip service, or even to join our PBM investment fund, then please email pbminvestments1@gmail.com. Thank you, take care, and happy investing.